will sign up here. You will create a login and a password and enter your information about your school. I already have a login for myself, so I'm going to log in just to show you around Classroom Dojo. It's very user-friendly, very simple. So once you get to the main page of Classroom Dojo, you will link yourself to a school. I was a part of Pinewood Elementary School, but you will be able to look up your own school after your administrator creates a link for your school. For this purpose of the training, I'm going to use a demo class. So essentially, when you start your Classroom Dojo link, this whole class will be empty. But as you go along, you can enter a student's name. So for example, we'll have Jenna as a student. I can add Jenna. I can take Jenna's, you can make her into her own character. So let's go there. So for example, Bradley Pitt, we can take him and we can change his icon. We can personalize it. Each child can pick their own monster character. You can enter their name. You can enter the parent contact information so they receive updates on Bradley's behavior and different assignments. It acts as like a Facebook news feed, so the teachers are able to add pictures of what's going on in the class and update assignments. Once you have edited each child, you go back to your class. So say, for example, we are in the middle of a reading group activity, and I notice that Cameron is on task. He's doing exactly what he needs to. I can, from any electronic device, add a point to Cameron's ClassDojo account. A lot of teachers will have this displayed on the smartboard throughout the day so that children are able to see how many points they have. And let's say, for example, Jenna, let's see. I'm going to add Jenna was hitting other children. So we're going to take 2 points away for that. So Jenna lost 2 points for hitting. Now, Jenna has the ability to earn points back all day long, but she also has the ability to lose more points. So by the end of the day, each child will have a different amount of points. And based on the reward system that is previously determined and the children all know about, will determine how many points they get and how close they are to receiving that reward. It is important to have this displayed in some way, shape, or form so that children are able to be mindful throughout the day of their behavior, but also so that it holds them accountable. So as I said before, a lot of teachers will have this displayed on the smartboard. If that's not an option, a lot of teachers also have paper charts that the children move their characters up and down throughout the day based on the amount of points that they have earned. But at the end of the day, or at any point throughout the day, a parent is able to get on and see where their particular child is based on how many points they have received. There's also the ability to send messages to all of your child's parents, so it's a great way to communicate back and forth without giving out personal cell phone numbers. There's also the option to print out. So for example, you can print out things that sends home a report of the child's character every single day. So those are also very helpful. So that is the lowdown on Classroom Dojo. There will be a person trained at each school, and that person can be contacted, can be the contact person that will send questions to ClassDojo. But otherwise, that is the lowdown.